Hello, my fellow members of the herd. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Robert Lackey. I'm the co-founder of Bison Track Gear. Before I get started, if you haven't done this already, please click the subscribe button below, click the bell icon for notifications. You know, the standard YouTube stuff, but don't just do it for the content, do it for the swag. Here tonight, we are actually giving away a pair of these Thor Point 2 race gauntlets to a lucky YouTube subscriber. And we're going to do that periodically. We'll pick somebody out of our list of subscribers and offer them some free swag. So definitely subscribe. You're going to see more than one benefit to that. Now, today's video is based around preparing for the track. I'm in Kansas. It's January. I'm bundled up. But here in just a couple weeks, I'll be in South Texas for some on-track action. So I need to get my bike prepared. But more than anything, I need to dump out my gear bag. And it's sitting in the corner. It's been sketching me out for weeks. I know I need to open this thing, and I'm just terrified. So today, I'm going to dump it out on camera, sift through the contents, and then I'm going to hit the reset button. I'm going to clean the bag, and I'm going to refill it with the most critical items for next track season. This includes things that I've carried with me for years and some new items that I'm going to put in the bag that I think will come in handy. So 15 items that I think are a must-have for your gear bag. Without further ado, let's put the hazmat suit on and dump this bag out. Let's do it. Join me. Here we go. I am scared. All right, everybody, full disclosure, I am terrified to open this bag. And now that I am dumping it out in front of you all, I am also embarrassed because, wow, that is terrible. It's pretty bad. You know, I see it on camera, it looks even worse. So we've got dirty towels, lots of dirty undersuits. There's even a litany of garbage in this bag. There's decals, instruction booklets, wrappers, I don't know. A Provnov shirt. None of us in the family have worn a Provnov shirt for quite some time. Oh, there is a back protector in here, so there's something useful. Also, extra knee pucks. Wow, it was definitely time to hit the reset button. This is loading my truck for the track, okay? Wheeled bag and 2 helmet bags. Super easy. All my stuff's protected. It's kept clean. It's kept dry. Conversely, here I am just throwing everything in the bed of the pickup. And as you can see, it's just not very efficient. On top of that, my stuff's not protected. So let's start with the leathers. Number one thing, obviously, is going to be your suit. But we actually don't recommend storing those in the bag at all times. I use a hang dry, like this item here, keeps my suit dry, keeps it hanging safely. But when I do have to transport it, I'll fold the arms in, bring the knees up to the shoulders, and then load it right into the bag. Don't store it that way if it's not completely dry though. Gloves, you're going to want to take 2 pairs, and here's why. Gloves are considered an expendable item simply because of the amount of abuse that they take. And if you go down once, you can hurt your gloves enough that they keep you from getting back out there. So take a spare pair. Undersuits is the next item, and that's something that you're also going to want to take in quantity. For your sake and that of those around you, take an undersuit for every riding day because these things get smelly really quick. Laundry bag, throw those undersuits in that. Spare parts and tools for your air vest, something that can be easily overlooked, but it can keep you from continuing safely for the weekend. Helmets, make sure you take 2 helmets, plural. A backup helmet is very important, and I understand it's kind of a luxury, but if you go down in an easy crash and hit your head, an extra helmet can mean the difference between getting back out and packing it in early. Knee pucks obviously wear out, but they also get lost when you go down in an easy crash, or if you clip a curb, you can lose the puck forever. So take an extra pair for you, and hey, maybe your buddy will need some. Boots are pretty simple. Obviously, you're going to need those, but carry boot parts as well. I take an extra pair of toe plates and some shoe goo just in case I have a sole malfunction. Load the boots right in the bag. Again, make sure they're dry. And keeping on the subject of feet, I like a nice, thin, light, moisture-wicking sock, so these polyester Bison socks are perfect. Take one for each riding day. Towels are important. I take a small terry cloth, numerous microfiber towels, and at least 1 large towel for showering. If it's going to rain, take an extra big towel. The microfibers can be used for lots of different things, and the terry cloth towels are great for just drying off in general, obviously. Speaking of drying off, if it's going to rain, you're going to want one of these. Your leathers will get heavy and hugely uncomfortable in the event of a wet race or track day, so keeping a rain suit on hand is a very good idea. Slides are important. When I get off the track, I kick my boots off and I throw slides on. Keep my feet dry, and you wear them in the shower. Keep yourself from getting nasty athlete's foot. Ibuprofen, that's going to become more important the older you get. Take it from me. Cleaning your visor, your motorcycle, your gear, that's important. So make sure you're taking some chemicals with you. Of course, you're going to want your back protector, your air vest, chest protector. Make sure you load those up so that you don't get to the track and feel like you're naked underneath your leathers. Okay. So that wasn't so bad. Yeah, that was pretty bad. I didn't even actually know I owned that many undersuits, let alone had that many dirty undersuits. Keep in mind, that was real time. I did not look in that bag before I dumped it out. I just unzipped it and dumped it. That was pretty embarrassing, but I wanted you to see real life what my gear bag looked like. So I'm glad we got that reset and taken care of. This list of 15 items is just my list, and it's things that I've carried with me for years and other things that I just thought were a good idea moving forward. But I want to hear what you've got in your gear bag or tote. So please, in the comments, let us all know what you carry in your gear bag. Give us some good ideas, and let's look forward to all hanging out at the racetrack here in just a few weeks' time. As always, go fast, be safe. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.